Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to create an account on your Myntra application. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Play Store application, and on the search bar of the Play Store application that appears on the top of the interface, go ahead and type Myntra. After you've typed Myntra, open the application and you'll be able to see the install button below it. Tap on it. This should start installing the Myntra application onto your phone. Once Myntra application has finished installing onto your phone, you'll be able to see an interface such as this. Now go ahead and tap on the open button that appears below it, and this should redirect you to the Myntra application on your mobile. The welcoming interface for Myntra is something like this. Over here, you'll be able to see the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now, if you have created an account, it should appear here. However, if you're new to this and you're trying to create an account for Myntra, you go ahead and tap on the login/sign up button. Now, in this interface, go ahead and enter your mobile number that you want to create a Myntra account with. On this mobile number, you'll be sent an OTP code. After you've verified using that OTP code, you'll be seeing an interface where you'll be required to enter your password. Create a password for your account, enter your full name, enter your email, enter an alternate phone number. After doing so, simply tap on the create account button and your account will be created on Myntra. You'll be logged into it as well, and then you can go ahead and shop your favorite brands on Myntra application using the ID that you created on Myntra. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.